Hello, hello, hello sa lahat ng Taurus. Magandang araw. Welcome back. At sa mga bagong Taurus na nanonood ngayon, welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love sa inyong Tagalog. Love reading. Ngayon na, Mismo. Okay, so for today, ang gagawin natin ay ang inyong weekly love reading for February 16 to 22. Okay? At habang pinabalasa ko tong cards, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Taurus na sumusuporta sa channel ko. At sa mga bago, sana supportahan nyo rin po by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video, saka sharing it sa iba pang Taurus na kilala ninyo. And ano din, comment na rin kayo sa iba kung mag-resonate to. Sige, tingnan natin yung overall energy ng reading na to. Second card for sincerity. Oh, someone is very sincere sa relationship. But in this relationship, this love is a sincere love. Alam mo yun? Or this person is very sincere type of person. And it's a good quality, okay? Kasi pag sincere yung tao, di ba, totoo yung pinapakita niya. Very real, very genuine yung feelings and love na ina-express niya sa iyo. Pero tingnan natin yung detalye ng reading na to through tarot reading. At habang binabalasa ko, I hope syempre na mag-resonate, pero since this is a collective reading, this may or may not resonate sa inyo, kaya kung hindi, huwag pilitin. It means na hindi para sa inyo itong reading na to, and abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod pang reading. Pero sana mag-resonate, syempre, diba? And use it as a guide lang. You will navigate your week. So, second card. Okay, Page of Swords. Oh, Five of Coins. The Fool. Eight of Coins. Okay. Seven of Wands. Four of Swords. The Hermit. Ace of Wands. Ace of Coins. And King of Coins. Okay. Sige. So, yan. Sige. So, it started with the Page of Swords and ended with the King of Coins. And there's a very strong energy of Aries, Virgo, and Aquarius sa reading na to. So, pwede yun yung signs ng person ninyo, but doesn't have to. Yun lang yung strong energy na nasasagap sa reading na to. Okay? So, tignan natin, alamin natin. So, Page of Swords. Okay, so there's this very young energy. So, pwedeng younger tong person na to sa inyo. Okay? And this young energy is, alam mo yun, dahil nga medyo mas bata siya, parang you're more emotionally mature than this person. Okay? And somewhat yung medyo gap between the maturity when it comes to emotions, or when it comes to emotional maturity is making you, alam yun, parang detached kayo physically tuloy, because nga may isa na gusto niya, gusto niyo isa't isa, pero dahil nga may immaturity on your person's end, tapos mas emotionally mature ka, nagkukos to ng medyo parang physical distance na, ayun nga, parang hirap kasi si person mo na maging vulnerable. So, pag medyo nagiging intimate na yung relationship, parang oops, bigla siyang iiwas or ano, parang meron siyang avoidant tendencies. Ganun. Okay? So, and pero gusto nyong ayusin, magsimula ulit, whatever yung mga issues niyo. Naging issue to yung na parang inability ng person to be more vulnerable pagdating sa relationship. Pero gusto nyong magsimula ulit, as shown here by the Fool card, and you want both of you to be free from those issues. Okay? And as shown here by the Eight of Coins. So, si Eight of Coins is a card of putting effort and commitment dun sa relationship. At nakikita ko naman dito na mare-resolve tong issue na to na as shown here by the Seven of Wands, which is overcoming challenges and setting the boundaries, right? So, you know your boundaries. So, kung hindi pa rin na talagang hindi pa rin niya nagagawa ng paraan, di ba, alam na hanggang saan din yung limit mo when it comes to the relationship. Pero, I can sense naman na gusto nyo ayusin itong relationship ninyo. And, yung as shown here by the Four of Swords, there will be there at the moment parang yun yung nangyayari, pero gusto nyo magkaayos, gusto nyo ayusin, gusto nyo magsimula ulit. There will be parang moment of pause. Itong dalawang cards na to has that energy. So, si Four of Swords is a card of taking a rest first, needing some space, pause muna, okay? Pag nilay-nilayan, and as shown here by the Hermit card is also, a card of reflection, yung having space na to process yung mga emotions. Pero, nakikita ko naman dito na talagang very eager kayo to have a fresh start, have a new beginning, kasi gusto niyo naman talaga yung isa't isa. So, tingnan mo, nagkatapat pa yung the Fool sa Ace of Wands, which is cards of new beginning. Tapos, meron katabi pa siya na Ace of Coins, which is also a card of starting to invest and to show nga that effort na kailangan sa relationship for it to work. And I can sense nga na dahil sincere yung actions na to, sincere naman kayo sa nararamdaman nyo sa isa't isa, okay, so that you will put really an effort on it, and it will end to something beautiful. Bakit ko nasabing something beautiful? Because it ends with the King, yung reading ends with the King of Coins, which is a card of acting on it, and a card of abundance and faithfulness. So, and this is anchored dun sa sincerity, na talaga sincere kayo na dun sa nararamdaman nyo sa isa't isa. So, maganda yung reading actually. So, may mga challenges lang na mareresolve naman dahil nga gusto nyo yung isa't isa, and gusto nyo talaga, very eager kayo to start anew, di ba? So, cards of new beginning, starting afresh, and investing on each other, and ending with abundance, and so much, I would say, success when it comes to this relationship. Okay? So, push na ninyo yan. I think wala naman ng need i-clarify. Okay? So, yeah. Okay, kasi ma-overcome nyo naman yung challenge talaga. Meron ba? Sige, check natin yung Five of Coins. Ano yung and Page of Swords. Bakit very hard si person to be vulnerable? Ano ba yung pinaghuhugutan? Second card, the Hermit. Okay. So, si Hermit energy kasi talaga is, yun nga, parang there's still room for personal growth. Immature lang talaga yung person mo. So, it still requires this person to have this personal growth para mapantayan niya yung maturity mo. Okay, sige, seal natin yung reading na to with another oracle card. Sige, second card. Gratitude, yan. And be thankful pa rin. Be grateful na you have each other. And I can sense din naman na grateful din tong person na to na nasa buhay kanya. Kasi nga, you're helping this person grow and become more mature. Okay, so there's this sense of gratitude from your person. Okay, so sana nag-resonate itong reading na to. Napakaganda naman niya. And ayun, claim nyo na yung energy, manifest, comment below gratitude and sincerity. Okay, so kita-kits na lang sa susunod pang love reading. Muli, ako si Mystico Moreno at abangan ang mga bagong collective reading para sa Taurus dito lang mismo. Ingat!